Hey everyone! If you're thinking about selling your home in Houston, I've got a game changer tip for you. Today we're talking about pre-inspections and why they can make a huge difference for you as a seller. First off, what is a pre-inspection? Simply put, it's an inspection done before you list your home. Think of it as a proactive way to spot issues before potential buyers do. Now, why is this important? When you get a pre-inspection, you can repair any problems ahead of time. This not only makes your home more appealing but can also justify a higher asking price. Buyers love move-in ready homes, and a pre-inspection certifies that your house is in tip-top shape. Plus, it speeds up the selling process. Imagine a buyer walking in and knowing there are no hidden issues. It builds trust and can even lead to quicker offers. In a competitive market like Houston, this gives you a serious edge. Another big perk, it minimizes last-minute negotiations. Knowing the condition of your home upfront means fewer surprises and less haggling down the line. This saves you time and stress, making the entire process smoother. And here's the kicker, it can put you in control. With a pre-inspection, you're not waiting for buyers to find problems. You're taking the initiative and setting the terms. So, before you list your home, consider a pre-inspection. It can be the secret weapon that sets your property apart and helps you sell faster and for more money. Thanks for watching and good luck with your home sale. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.